Arizona Riders Club, ride with us.
And action. You know who it is. It's T with Arizona Riders Club. How is everyone doing? Got a little grays popping today. All right. Let's get straight into this. What are these called? They are the Air Jordan 13 Retro Obsidians. So I got... Sorry guys, I had these for a minute, but I've had, life has happened. So I wanted to do a shoe review because I haven't done one in months. So you know, we've always got the new J's, new kicks coming in. It's not just Jordans. We got Air Force Ones, Air Max, Vapor Max. We've got the Posit, foam posits. We've got the Dunks. We've got the what was the other one? New Balance? Nah, not New Balance, man. Come on. Yes, we've got the New Balance too. So let's get into this really quick. All right, we are on GOAT.com. I know all you sneakerheads know what it is. Let's just read a little bit about this 13 Obsidian. Give me a quick second. The Air Jordan 13 Retro Obsidian updates the vintage mid-top with a familiar color scheme, one that combines stitched tumble white leather with contrasting navy blue paneling. A Jumpman icon in dark powder blue is embroidered at the top, atop the tongue, while the 13's holographic cat eye decorates the lateral ankle underfoot. Sorry guys, this font is crazy small. The distinctive Panther Paw Outsole features herringbone rubber, traction, pods, and the carbon fiber shank plate for improved stability. All right, guys. It's time to do some surgery. All right, so we also are on Sneaker Bar Detroit. I don't know how I found this website, but I find it informational, so I like it. I'm gonna keep rocking with Sneaker Bar Detroit. D-Town players out there with the fresh J's, leave me a comment. All right, Air Jordan 13 Obsidian is a brand new colorway of the Jordan 13 that will be releasing as a part of Jordan Brand's Spring-Summer 2020 lineup. Dressed in a white obsidian and dark powder blue color scheme, this Charlotte Hornets themed Air Jordan 13 features a white leather upper with dark blue underlays along with the light blue accents on the tongue. The tongue's Jumpman logo and rubber outsole. This release arrives OG packaging and full family sizing. Look at the Air Jordan 13 Obsidian to release on September 18th. Wow, man. Has it been that long? I don't think so. I think I got these, closer to December. Sorry, guys. I got a couple people hitting me up on text. All right, white obsidian, dark powder blue. Oof. Retail at $190. What do you guys think? First impressions, I like them. I like the navy blue with the white. With the baby blue. You hear that? Did you see that? You feel that? Oh, switching the game up, player. Yeah. All right, y'all. We're going to save that for another time. Let's get back to these obsidians. What do y'all think about the obsidians, guys? I'm not going to make this too long of a video. Just wanted to get in, get out. This is the first day I'm going to rock these bad boys. We're going to see the Phoenix Suns game. Suns in 5. That's on me. And I'm not taking that 10.5 point spread. Just letting you know. But either way, go Suns. Valley boys, we up. And it's T with Arizona Riders Club. Do me a quick favor. Like the video. Like it. Subscribe. Share it. And let's go rock something. It's Arizona Riders Club. Ride with us.